what scares me in getting into real estate that I wouldn't be able to distinguish a good deal from a bad one. I would not if I'm getting. Yeah, I always say having a person you're trusting is very important. Okay, but look at the numbers online. Actually, like the homeday.de, they really show good reports and good results. And even if, let's say, they sell you something more, the bank will stop, right? So the bank will say the value of this property is not even that much worth it. So this is where you have kind of the first stop in there. Yeah.
I gotta be very honest. I have no skills in distinguishing a good deal from a bad deal, because if I know that, and you all heard Wirecard, FTX, right? All these, if they are able to scam BaFin and KPMG and E&Y, then I'm sure that and I know a lot about real estate from the numbers and the taxes and all of it and how this works, but I'm not an architect and I'm not a technician and I'm not a building engineer. So I know, yeah, but maybe that's me. I know my limits, and if somebody wants to scam me by selling me a shitty property for a high price, then I know an expert could do it.
Yeah.
Who knows more about the property than I do. That's why that's what we said earlier. Have a expert from TÜV or whatever, Value AG. Some banks demand it even, which saying again, I think it's good. And then they can help you select a good deal from a bad one, because they know. They know. And it goes far more than just pretty pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think a pretty good rule of thumb that we probably can all agree on: if it's too good to be true, it probably is.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the biggest alert probably for a scam.